This is in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a dual line chart. Like in some of the other videos we have discussed like how to do this dual combination charts, like how to get a bar on top of it, the line comes in for two different measures. The same thing now, let's do it for dual lines now. How to get a dual lines in the same chart. Yep, it's kind of an interesting one to start with. Look at it here again, it demands one date and two measures to start with. Yep, if that is the case, one date, let me choose any one date, order date, and two measures. I would go with profit against the sales. Okay, if this is the case, look at it here. Now since I have made these three selections, according to the selection, this value is actually available for me, this plot, dual lines chart. I click that, look at it here, I get two lines here. Yep, kind of a cool visualization comes in, right? But parallelly, look at it here, the orange in line is representing sales, and then the profit, blue in color, is representing profit. Simple as that. But again, the same scenario, like kind of the huge difference comes in for the axis. Maybe if we are not concerned about this axis, maybe we don't want to synchronize it, but if you're concerned about this axis, yeah, you have to synchronize it along with that. Cool, then yeah, look at it, if we synchronize it, the axis which has been like having for profit is very stagnant. It's kind of a straight line, not having much kind of variations here. But ideally, what if we go for a month level property? Maybe making sense, I guess. Yep, look at it here, 2014 quarter 4 is actually making a better sales, 2015 quarter 4 is actually making a better profit, which means that each and every quarter 4 is actually making a better profit comparing with the other quarters. Simple as so. This is what an idea of creating a simple dual axis chart. On top of it, you can still add some more layers, like I would take within this the sum of profit measure names. I would take profit and then I would put it into size. Yep, the size talks about it. And then like sales, I would take sales and then I would put it into sales. Yep, making sense, right? Kind of a cool visualization comes in now. Parallelly, if you wanted to add some more layer, yeah, I wanted to understand it based on the category property, I would take category and then drop it into columns. Yeah, look at it here. So on top of it, altogether, technology is actually making a more sales, and parallelly the technology is actually making a high profit. But ideally, like beyond technology, office supplies made a profit in 2016 quarter 4 comparing with technology. Yeah, it's kind of a cool visualization comes in, right? But ideally the furniture is actually making a huge drop comparing with the other. Look at it, sometimes it's actually making a loss. Cool, then yeah, so this is what an idea of creating a dual line charts within Tableau. Cool, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.